Welcome to my channel. It's Lady M. Yes, today we are showing how to form a playlist. How do you form a playlist? You go to your channel, you choose a video which you want to be in the playlist. There are three dots there, so you click the three dots. After clicking the three dots, you choose Save to Playlist. You'll be shown so many things there, but you will choose Save to Playlist. After choosing, it will take you to somewhere you will see also other main things. There you will choose New Playlist. Yes, you click the New Playlist. The playlist, after clicking there, it will show title. Is that there you will put the name of the or which you want for the playlist. Maybe mine I will save it as Miriam. Then down there you will see private. Go and choose public in order to put your videos in your playlist to be public. After that, you see at the end there, create. You click create. You have formed a playlist just now. Then you start adding other videos to that playlist, which I called it Miriam. So I will choose another video from my channel again, which I want to be in that video. As I choose it, I click the three dots. I will it will bring me somewhere safe to. I choose again, save to the playlist. Now I will choose the one I have saved, Miriam. I click the one is Miriam and it will be saved there. After that, I had another video, as long as my video playlist, as long as I want it to be. Also, I can choose this video to be of a particular videos, maybe cookie, other one for live stream, others for maybe walking. Yes, you can categorize your video again. But if you put them together, no problem. Again, it is your choice. Welcome and leave a comment down there how it was. Okay, thank you for watching. Also for choosing Miriam.